Marriage is all about giving and taking, forgiving and forsaking, kissing and loving, pushing and shoving, caring and sharing, even screaming and swearing. It's about being together, whatever the weather. It's about being driven to the end of your tether. It's about sweetness and kindness, wisdom and blindness. It's about being strong when you're feeling quite weak. It's about saying nothing when you're dying to speak. It's about being wrong when you know that you're right. And it's about giving in before there's a fight. And for you two today, it's about to begin. And for all that the two of you had to put in. Some days will be filled with joy, and some will be filled with sadness. But that's what marriage is about. It's a wonderful kind of madness.